Hello everyone and welcome to the Technology Department. I'm sure everyone would agree that this is the area in school in which you will have loads of fun and get to learn exciting new skills. I'm Mr. Smith, the head of department, and I hope the information here will allow you to understand what our department offers and the range of learning that you will undertake when working with us. In Year 7, students follow a rotation of the 3 different design and technology subjects. Each rotation is 1 term. Our aims and objectives for Year 7 students are to introduce them to new skills, materials and equipment to help them develop as they move up through the school. In textiles, Year 7 students design a logo using Adobe Photoshop. They learn hand skills and they also learn how to use a sewing machine. Students learn the importance of designing and using research to help inspire them. In food, Year 7 students follow the theme of healthy eating and learn specific cooking techniques that will allow them to cook a variety of simple dishes. They learn the importance of health and safety in the process and hygiene and equipment. In product design, Year 7 students design and make a mechanical toy using hand tools, machinery and the laser cutter. Students first learn to design the mechanical toy using a recognised drawing technique. I would now like to talk about the transition from Key Stage 2 to Key Stage 3 in textiles. Students will start with a baseline test to help us figure out how much they already know about technology. The test will include some basic skills like measuring, using scissors, shading and some basic calculations. They will then be introduced to the department's expectations and what they will be doing in textiles over the term. As the term goes on, they will be developing a wide range of different skills. The images below are directly taken from lessons that students will experience. As you can see, the students will be building on knowledge from lesson to lesson, developing difficult skills as they go along. They will start by completing the sewing machine driving license. This teaches the students how to navigate around curves and corners and in straight lines. They will then be learning how to thread a sewing machine, make seam samples and applique. The transition from Key Stage 2 to Key Stage 3 in food will again start with the expectations and health and safety understanding. Students will have 3 lessons over a 2-week timetable. The first lesson is usually a theory lesson where they will gain an understanding of important topics within food technology. The second lesson is usually a lesson in understanding how to make something by following a set of instructions. The third lesson will be a practical lesson where they will be making fruit salad, some pizza toast, flapjacks, pasta salads, a smoothie and some shortbread biscuits. As you can see from the images below, students will have to demonstrate skills to a secure level in a wide range of aspects of food technology, including health and safety concerns for each step of making a fruit salad, the analysis of each food group, and making pizza to demonstrate the use of a variety of brightly coloured ingredients evenly placed. They will need to be able to follow step-by-step instructions for all the food products made, including flapjacks, shortbread biscuits, and smoothies. The transition in Key Stage 2 to Key Stage 3 in product design starts in the same way as the previous 2, with expectations and health and safety. Students will then start the course by designing their mechanical toy using a technique called oblique projection. They will then have to render the drawing to show tone and texture. Finally, they will need to add notes to fully explain their idea. After they have finished designing, they will start making the product. The image below shows the oblique drawing technique discussed earlier, also the rendering and annotation of the designs. Towards the bottom, you will find step-by-step instructions with images for how to make the product. An example of one of the mechanical toys is shown towards the bottom right of the slide.